Hey everyone, if your Vercel deployment is failing in 2026, like build errors, failed deployments, or red error logs, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Vercel deployment, failed error, step by step. First, open Vercel and check your build logs. This will show exactly what caused the failure. Next, look for code errors such as missing files, syntax mistakes, or broken imports. I mean, even small issues can break your deployment. Now, make sure all dependencies are installed properly. Missing packages are one of the most common causes of failure. After that, check your environment variables in Vercel settings. I mean, missing API keys or configs can stop builds. Next, verify your build command and output directory. Incorrect settings here can prevent deployment completely. Now, clear your build cache and redeploy your project. I mean, cached errors can sometimes cause repeated failures. After that, confirm your framework setup is correct, especially for Next.js or React projects. Wrong configuration can lead to build errors. Finally, reconnect your GitHub or Git repository to fix sync issues. I mean, connection problems can also break deployments. So yeah, that's how you fix Vercel deployment failed error in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your project should deploy successfully again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more deployment tutorials for beginners.